Hi and everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Today I am going to describe about suggestions to IVA, UFBU and government, birthday leave and wedding anniversary leave for bank employees under the 13th Bipartite Settlement BPS and 10th Joint Note. Introductions. The banking sector has undergone significant changes over the years, with employees handling increasing responsibilities, customer expectations, digital banking requirements, regulatory compliance, and mounting work pressure. While salary revision and other financial benefits are important aspects of collective settlements, employee welfare and work-life balance also deserving appropriate considerations. In this context, it is suggested that the Indian Banks Association (IBA), United Forum of Bank Unions (UFBU), and the government may consider introducing two small but meaningful welfare benefits: one paid birthday leave every year and one paid wedding anniversary leave every year under the forthcoming 13th bipartite settlement and 10th joint note. Number one, birthday leave, one paid leave every year. It is suggested that every bank employee may be granted one paid birthday leave every year over and above the existing leave entitlements. The employee may be permitted to avail the leave on his or her birthday. If the birthday falls on a Sunday, public holiday, or another non-working day, the facility may, subject to suitable rules, be allowed on an immediately preceding or succeeding working day. The birthday is a personally significant occasion for every individual. Providing one day of paid leave would enable employees to spend quality time with their family, attend to personal matters, or simply take a break from the demanding professional responsibilities. Such a benefit would demonstrate that the banking industry values not only the productivity of its employees but also their personal well being and family life. The proposed birthday leave should preferably not be adjusted against casual leave, privilege leave, sick leave, or any other existing leave entitlement. It may be treated as a separate special welfare leave and regulated through a simple administrative guidelines to ensure that normal banking operations are not adversely affected. But wedding anniversary leave, unpaid optional leave every year. It is further suggested that every married employee may be provided one paid optional leave every year on his or her wedding anniversary. The employee may normally avail the leave on the anniversary itself, where the anniversary falls on a holiday or where operational circumstances do not permit leave on that particular day. Suitable provisions may be made for availing it on an immediately preceding or succeeding working day. Marriage and family life play an important role in the emotional well-being of employees. A small provision such as one day of wedding anniversary leave would allow employees to spend meaningful time with their spouse and family. It would also convey a positive message that the banking industry recognizes the importance of family relationships and a healthy work-life balance. Like birthday leave, the proposed wedding anniversary leave may be kept separate from the employee's existing leave balance and may be subject to prior applications and normal administrative arrangements. Why these two benefits should be considered? Both proposals involve only one day per employee per year for each occasion, making them relatively modest welfare measures compared with many other employee benefits. They need not involve any major financial burden, while their positive impact on employees' satisfaction, morale, and emotional well-being could be considerable. The banking workforce today faces continuous pressures arising from business targets, customer service, digital transformation, regulatory compliance, audits, documentations, and increasing responsibilities. In such an environment, small employee-friendly initiatives can contribute meaningfully towards reducing workplace stress and improving overall satisfaction. These benefits could also help strengthen the relationship between employees and the banking institution. An employee who feels that personal and family milestones are respected is more likely to develop a stronger sense of belonging and commitment towards the organizations. Suggested framework. The following simple framework may be considered. Birthday leave. One paid day every year for every employee. Wedding anniversary leave. One paid optional day every year for married employees. Both leaves should preferably be additional to existing leave facilities. Leave may normally be availed on the respective occasion. Suitable provisions may be made when the occasion falls on a holiday or non-working day. Prior applications and approval may be prescribed to maintain branch and office operations. Necessary safeguards may be introduced to prevent inconvenience to customers or shortage of staff. The facility may be incorporated as uniform provisions across all participating banks. A small benefit with a meaningful message. Employee welfare should not always be measured only in monetary terms. Sometimes a single day granted for an employee's birthday or wedding anniversary can have greater emotional value than its monetary cost. Such provisions can create a positive workplace culture in which employees feel respected not merely as workers but as individuals with families, relationships, and personal milestones. Therefore, birthday leave and wedding anniversary leave may be considered as modern employee welfare measures appropriate for the changing needs of the banking workforce. Conclusions. In view of the above, it is respectfully suggested that IBA, UFBU, and the government may consider incorporating one paid birthday leave and one paid wedding anniversary leave every year as additional employee welfare provisions under the 13th Bipartite Settlement and the 10th Joint Note. These are simple, practical, and employee friendly measures that can strengthen work life balance, improve morale, and provide employees with an opportunity to celebrate important personal and family occasions without sacrificing their existing leave benefits. With appropriate administrative safeguards, these provisions can be implemented without materially affecting normal banking operations. It is therefore requested that these two proposals may kindly be given due considerations during the discussions and negotiations relating to the 13th bipartite settlement and 10th joint note, with a view to providing progressive and meaningful welfare benefits to bank employees. Disclaimer. This is an employee welfare suggestions intended for considerations by IIBA, EFBU, and government. It is not an official proposal, demand, or announcement of any bank, IBA, EFBU, or government authority. The final provisions, if considered, would be subject to negotiations, mutual agreement, and applicable rules. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe, and share.